TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 168. You get the NASDAQ up 44. S&Ps are up 12. Gold contract down $1.30, trading at $1,138 an ounce. We have silver up 15 cents at $14.77 an ounce. Platinum up 12 bucks. $1,015 an ounce. You get copper up 3.5 pennies at $2.33 a pound. Light sweet crude flat out here this morning at $45.50. That had pulled back $4 yesterday after going up $8 the prior 2 days. The bonds, we have the 10-year down 3 ticks, 127.07. The 30-year off 5 at 154.15. And for higher price, this is exactly what bonds actually need, folks. They have to push into that low from last week, and they're doing that right now with lighter volume. King dollar. King dollar is up 364 ticks, trading at 95.80. You have the euro down 71 at $1.12, and the yen is flat at 120.11. Now, if we go over and we take a look at the S&Ps, what you're going to see is this. Bottom line, what do we do out here yesterday? You go down, you have the price spread, you have the volume, all of the above. What I expect you're going to see out here today, you get a small bounce. It's going to be on lighter volume. You'd already got over the high of yesterday, which was the 194.77. We went to 194.69. You're going to see lighter volume. Yesterday we came down to 256 million shares. You're going to see a bounce on lighter volume. All that is setting up a run to the lows more than likely next week, because what I suspect we have here is that we're into, this will be the first day of holiday trading. It is early in the week, Wednesday, meaning coming into Labor Day, long Labor Day holiday, but this is the last week in the summer. And I suspect these markets are going to flatten out. You have China that's closed. That's going to basically calm the markets down a bit. Now, the NQs, the QQQs, they also came down with velocity, 73 million shares. You're going to see they bounced today. That bounce also is going to be on lighter volume. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials came down they closed 460 down. They went 500 down. Those are bouncing with light volume right now. And the correlation, of course, when we get a few hours into the market, you'll see the contraction of volume. The contraction inside the diamonds right now, basically pretty glaring. 14, we came down to 14 million. And today, the diamonds will do all of about 7 or 8 million. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? What we have with the gold contract is this. Gold contract right now is trading flat. We're at 1137. 59,000 contracts. Bottom line, gold needs wide price spread, accelerated volume. It has got into the larger, the higher trading zone. That is saying it's going to make a run for the 1169 area. And inside the metals market, when we're talking gold and we're talking silver, silver at this particular point is moving, and it's inside the range, and that's crucial. Bottom line, silver right now is up 16 cents. It's done 17,000 contracts. This was wavering underneath that 1440 area. Now you're getting some extension on it. If we can get it to close over this 1745 area, that'd be a big number. Dollar index. What do we have with the dollar? The dollar continues to struggle at this swing point. I suspect what you're going to see out here today, the swing point we're talking about, folks, is 97.10. Bottom line is that we're at 95.81. The last high out here was 96.35. It doesn't even look like it can make that. So to wrap it up, what you're looking at is this. You can expect a bounce. It'll have lighter volume. That is setting up a run to the lows next week. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.